Jaod bura Masuna West, Junet Mohammed, ne wadhi bedo jatend kweth manok e od bura ka okawo lemono manodong' nono bang' ka Opiyo Wandayi nyocha ogwel kod jatend piny Kenya ni bedo jatend migawo mar teko. Jaod bura ma Suba North, Millie Odhiambo, ema omi thuolo mar dhi kawo lemo mar jaleg kweth manok kata minority whip. Ma en sani ma omaki sani gi Junet Mohammed. Lemo mar jakom komiti marango kaka itiyo gi omenda jopiny PAC Kalebamisi emo meeting mar kawo thuolo mar John Mbadi ka jalupne bedo Wilberforce Oundo. ODM olando lokruok makamago tok romo motelne gi Raila Odinga.
The party will be proposing to the Azimio PG, that's a parliamentary group of Azimio, that the Honorable Junet Mohammed take up the role of minority leader vacated by the Honorable Opiyo Wandayi, that the Honorable Millie Odhiambo take up the role of minority whip, that the Honorable Kalebamisi take up the role of chair of PSC, left vacant by Honorable Mbadi, and the Honorable Oundo to take up the seat of vice chair of PIC. That ODM remains committed to the idea of a national conversation to discuss the emerging issues that precipitated the ongoing crisis in the country. We reiterate that there is no agreement of any nature between ODM and Kenya Kwanza.